Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're passionate about artificial intelligence and its groundbreaking advancements, then you are in for a treat. Today we are going to delve into the fascinating world of GPT-4. And you will be surprised to know that there are some plugins which can enhance the functionality of GPT-4 and give it some magical powers. So today we are going to talk about some of only 3 of these plugins which I have used in my work, and they have proven to be extremely useful in increasing the efficiency of work. Firstly, let's talk about GPT-4, standing for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 4. This is the latest iteration of OpenAI's language processing AI. It's a marvel of modern technology designed to understand and generate human-like text. This makes it a powerful tool for a variety of applications, starting from writing assistance to customer service and beyond. But the capabilities of GPT-4 don't stop there. Thanks to GPT plugins, we can further enhance these capabilities. These plugins are additional tools designed to perform specific tasks, extending the functionality of GPT models. They can be used for a wide range of tasks, making GPT even more versatile. The first plugin we will discuss is Total Query Search. This isn't your average search tool. Total Query Search combines the power of over 70 search services to provide the most comprehensive and unbiased search results on the internet. Whether you are looking for books, music, scientific publications, or even social media content, Total Query Search has got you covered. Next is Prompt Perfect. This plugin is like having your own personal AI editor. It evaluates your inputs and transforms them into clearer, more specific, and contextual prompts. This not only improves the quality of the responses, but also makes communication with AI models more seamless and efficient. Lastly, but certainly not the least, we have the Show Me Diagram plugin. This tool is a game changer for visual learners. It can generate diagrams to explain concepts or processes, making complex information easier to understand. Whether you are trying to understand the working of a car engine or the stages of photosynthesis, Show Me Diagrams can visualize it for you. And that is all for the time being about GPT-4 and some of its plugins that I have used. I will keep on using some of other plugins, and I will share my experiences in the coming videos. We hope that this video has given you a better understanding of these powerful tools and their potential applications. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content like this. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and keep innovating.